Hello and welcome to this peaceful, Soulful Sunday session where we invite the gentle flow of nature into our minds and hearts. Today we'll embrace the harmony of Taoist meditation, allowing us to become one with the ebb and flow of the natural world. In this practice, we'll step into a place of unity and balance, where we can let go of separateness and discover the beauty of being part of a greater whole. Through each breath and moment of stillness, let's open ourselves to the wisdom of nature around and within us. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position, whether on the ground or in a chair, or maybe even on a cushion. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Then exhale slowly, letting go of any tension or distractions. Close your eyes softly and feel your body relax, becoming heavier and more at ease with each breath. With a gentle smile, feel the air around you as it touches your skin, the quiet rustle of life moving all around you. Imagine yourself as part of a greater landscape, whether it's a lush forest, a wide open field, or a quiet mountain stream. Allow the boundaries between you and the world soften. You're here to be at peace with nature, and nature is here to welcome you. Take another deep, gentle breath, inhaling through your nose, and let the exhale flow out naturally. Feel the air as it enters, cool and fresh, filling your body with calm energy. And as you exhale, release anything heavy or unnecessary, just as trees shed their leaves in autumn, letting go to make space for renewal. Imagine now that you're standing by a flowing river, a symbol of the Tao itself, the way, the eternal flow of life. This river is clear, winding through landscapes both familiar and unknown, carrying with it the energy of all things. Allow yourself to merge with this flow, feeling the gentle current wash over your spirit, carrying away any stagnant thoughts or feelings. The Taoist path teaches us to observe nature as our guide, to understand that just as water flows effortlessly around obstacles, so can we move through life with grace. Take a moment to imagine any challenges or blocks in your life as stones in this river. Notice how the water simply glides around them, neither fighting nor resisting, yet eventually smoothing each stone over time. Breathe deeply and as you do, feel the soft strength of water within you, reminding you that strength can be gentle, persistent, quiet. Feel yourself becoming rooted in this natural world, as if your body were part of a tree, your spine its sturdy trunk, your feet roots extending deep into the earth. And imagine the energy of the earth rising through your feet, grounding you, filling you with a sense of stability and peace. And as you breathe in, feel this grounding energy settle into each part of your body, supporting and nourishing you. And as you exhale, release any tension, letting it flow down through your roots into the earth, where it can be transformed. Now bring your awareness to the vast sky above. Picture it stretching endlessly, clear and open. The sky doesn't hold on to clouds. It allows them to pass by freely. In the same way, we too can observe our thoughts and emotions as passing clouds. If any thoughts arise, acknowledge them with kindness and let them drift by, returning your awareness to the present moment. The sky remains untouched by the clouds, just as your true self remains untouched by passing concerns. Allow yourself to experience a sense of unity, where the boundaries between your body and nature dissolve. You are both the sturdy earth and the flowing river, both the vast sky and the gentle breeze. Breathe in this unity, feeling a harmony within and around you. Embrace the quiet simplicity of just being. Nothing to change, nothing to achieve. This moment of harmony is enough. And as you continue to breathe naturally, feel how each breath connects you to the world around you. Inhaling, feel the energy of life flowing into you. Exhaling, share your own peace with the world. Allow this exchange to bring a sense of gratitude, a recognition of the cycles that sustain all living things. Just as trees give oxygen and receive carbon dioxide, we are part of a vast web of connection and balance. Take a few more breaths, deep and nourishing, feeling the gentle flow of life. Trust that this harmony within nature lives within you. waiting to guide and sustain you in your journey ahead. And now, as we come to the close of this meditation, bring your attention back to your body, noticing any sensations in your hands, your feet, or along your spine. Take a gentle breath and feel a sense of gratitude for the harmony you've connected with today. This peace, this oneness with nature is not separate from you. It's always accessible, always a part of you. And now take a long, slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, begin to slowly move your fingers and toes, gently bringing movement back to your body. And know that you can carry this grounded peace with you as you move through your day. Thank you for joining today's Soulful Sunday session in harmony with nature. May this Taoist meditation bring you calm and a sense of connection with the world around you. Remember, like the river flows or the trees root deeply into the soil, you too have a place in this world, both steady and ever-changing. And you can return to this meditation whenever you need a moment of peace and grounding. And if you found this session helpful, please like, subscribe, and tell your friends. And until next time, have a beautiful and peaceful day.